I, like many of you, have waited a long time to get my RMAX Special Edition. Today's a fabulous day. The sun is shining, the snow is melting, and I brought home the 2021 Yamaha RMAX 2-seater. This vehicle is absolutely stunning everywhere you look. I am super impressed with all the features, the fit and finish, how this unit looks, and I cannot wait to get all of my accessories on it and get it on the trails and put it through its paces. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to be doing a ton of videos with this new RMAX. This is real world Northern Ontario, Canada side-by-side adventures. Going to be doing tons of trail riding. We've got some wicked trails here. You can check them out, my other videos with the Wolverine X2, as well as my dirt bike videos, and of course snowmobile videos and snow bike videos. But anyways, really stoked for the RMAX. Gonna also be doing some fishing adventures, towing my fishing boat out into the backcountry to explore some great trout lakes. But for right now, before we get this vehicle muddy and out on the trail, I've got a ton of accessories to install. As I said, I've already gone ahead and installed the Yamaha front bash plate, really solidly built. Big improvement over just the poly stock bash plate that comes. A lot of reinforcement there if you're running into logs or rocks or whatever. Also going to be installing the polyplastic skid plates that will run from the front of the unit to the back and protect those front to back steel skid frame that is under the side-by-side. We've got lots of sharp rocks here, lash off of and stuff like that, so it's just really nice peace of mind with those poly skid plates. If you're skidding over stuff, that you're not scratching up that skid plate underneath that is welded to the frame and part of the frame. I've got the rock sliders, of course, that I'm going to install. Those are a must-have, you know, whether it's squeezing between a tree or just rubbing up against some rocks. Again, going to protect the frame. Of course, the RMAX has the extended factory rock sliders or rock guards or wheel guards or frame guards, whatever you want to call them. But yes, going to install the accessory rock sliders as well. I've got the front bumper front brush guard to install. I've got a rear brush guard to install. I've got the Yamaha fold down windshield, poly windshield. What else do I have? I mean, there's so much. I've got a worn plow, and I've got the plow mount to install, but I'll probably wait a bit to do that because the snow is melting, like I said. I've got some lighting to do. I'm going to install a 42-inch double row light bar on the roof. I've got some pod lights that I'm going to install here in the front bumper with the Yamaha mounts. And I've got two cubes coming for the back that I'm going to mount up in the roof. For rear lighting, I'm going to mount all three of those on independent rocker switches, illuminated rocker switches. One of the really cool things about the RMAX, I'll shut it off here, is the number of switch ports that you have to add all those great features. I've got audio equipment to install, so this is going to be a really cool build. I'm just stoked. I'm just absolutely stoked to get out and put this great machine through its paces. Yamaha has done such a fantastic job. It's just beautiful. Everywhere you look, you know, the fit and finish, the interior, the soft touch points, the embroidery on the seats, the way the console is designed, the grab handle is designed. Of course, comes the Special Edition or XTR in the United States comes with the factory Yamaha mirror with the emblem on it. I still need to pull the little protective film off of that. Really excited to try the sport, trail, and crawl modes. There's just so much to this vehicle that makes it such a great Northern Ontario general recreation and utility side by side. Of course, you've got the dumping bed, put 600 pounds of cargo in there. That's going to be great for camping, hauling things around the yard, firewood, etc. again, just super stoked to try out the suspension, different settings. Man, I can't say enough. I'm just over and above, super impressed with everything about this vehicle, and I kind of honestly wish I didn't have so many things to install. I could just take it out on the trail right now and get muddy, but you know, I want to get everything installed first before I get it dirty. So I almost don't even want to ever get it dirty because it's so beautiful. But yeah, just really excited. I hope you hear the excitement in my voice, because I've been waiting a long time, and I know lots of you out there are waiting for your RMAXs. Of course, stoked with the ground clearance and the 30-inch Maxxis tires. That's going to be great, just absolutely fabulous. And yeah, so here's the intro, and we'll see you in the shop for the accessory install videos.